Alright, so February is when I'm going to be planting some stuff. Either February or March, rather. Uh, Once the theoretical worst of the cold has ended and it starts warming up, that looks like it will be the best time for planting stuff over in that little rocky area. It will be a little difficult because I'll have to carry it through the trees. But in November, when I get a chance, I'm going to dedicate an entire day to just cleaning up the forest again. But that might be a bit of a long-term goal right now, I guess. Because there are a couple of big areas with a lot of trash that I'm going to go for on that day. This will probably be the third week of November. Maybe around the 15th or so, like the actual middle of November. But I have to do some planning out for it, which is where the trouble is going to come from. Because I'm good at long-term stuff, not at nitty-gritty details, if you can't tell. What else was there? Yeah, I don't know. There's something else, but I forgot what it was. So thanks for listening.